Ka Flower Studio Hajili Shop nong thamai Klawan ra ya ka kor thamai kabla tip kum ka 3D print kabla ban pinwandur ya kino gijingsna bat kidur da ka ba pelong ya ki kum ki mod sa kan mau bat ya kini ka 3D print la bu kerpang kena mai kpai ba kila ban phachna ya kidur sa kan mau lani kidur mod ki balong kum kijing draw ban pin itnat ya laki yang kisem habaya kren bat u srujan u badi co-founder jangkali organika ulayat hu bakini ki kor ki bale ya ga 3D printing kila ban penwandur ya ki dieng ki mau marble ki kot bat kino ki mau kat kum ke jingkwa bat kini ki kor kila ru ban penwandur ya kino ki tiar kum ki jat nagamenta ki kso ki berko bat kila ru ban shna ya ki tiar ki baya ha bat kini ke juk bamenta bat ulaya thu ba ki jingshna hi ki shimpor kat kum ke jinghe bat ke jingjrong jung kidur.
So what we're doing here is 3D printing right now. This is a 3D printing and a laser engraving lab we set up in Shillong. And 3D printing is basically open source additive manufacturing. What you see currently here are 3 open source FDM 3D printers, beginners, entry level, which any hobbyist can be used or any person who's designing or getting into industrial printing. Currently we are printing a 10,000-year-old musical instrument called ocarina, which is a rare musical instrument, 12-hole flute, which is being printed in a marble material, and this is not available in the market in terms of a music instrument. So this how it comes handy in printing some designs or some materials which is not available in the market. Here we are printing an industrial print, which is a cast leg for a dog, so basically prosthetics for a dog. So again, 3D printers come handy for prosthetics. We're talking about industrial applications, right from hobby to automobile to casting. The possibilities is endless. You think what's there in your mind and you can just print it. So 3D printers have been in the market, have been there existing for the past 2 decades. As a country, we've not been exploring it much, but it's again something where the schools or entry-level schools should start having labs where 3D printers help, with their whole connection of the current generation. So again, 3D printing is something which anybody and everybody can use. It is a simple AutoCAD design which are printed in 3 dimensions way. And similarly, if I can take you here, this is a printer machine. This engraves whatever again with the laser machine. This engraves on leather, wood, glass. So a lot of hobbyists again can use this machine to enhance their skills and sell products online. So a lot of 3D printing or this whole 3D printing basically community, it works basically loosely on community. There are files being shared on people somewhere sitting in the end of the world. These files are available online and you can print it online. You can design your own files. And that's the beauty of the 3D printing. So here we are actually in Shillong, we are trying to develop an community-based 3D printing environment, and soon you'll be finding a 3D farm where we would be able to have more than 100 printers and doing prototypings and doing bulk printing. It all depends on the size and the design. So let's say what we are printing at the back right now, our musical instrument will take another 6 hours to print. And the dog casting is an industrial print, so that's going to take 8 hours to print. That prints which takes 4 days, 5 days as well. 3D printing is again a layer by layer printing. What you design on your CAD software, it prints physically. So time is something which accuracy, 3D printing gives you accuracy, and time and accuracy go hand in hand. So the more slow, the more better details in your design. And soon we will be we'll be opening doors for young students. We'll be running batches here where people can run basics, will teach them basics and hands-on experience on 3D printers. And this is more or less always been my passion and my vision to always help the young generation. And this is the best tool that anybody can use right now to make money or to be self-sustainable. Because let's say there's someone who's making handmade jewelry. So this printer will enhance that person's skills. She or he can create that jewelry online as a design, and then they can print it physically. So that saves up their handwork time as well. So we talking about age group from 6 to 5 till an adult. Anybody can use this printer. So yes, we'll be opening doors. We'll be doing crash courses and basics. very soon. Depends on how you take it. I've been in the industry for past 4 years. I've used it as a hobby. I've used it to make money as well. It's all about how you creatively use, the machine and make the most of it. So basically, the machine can print everything and anything, but then if you stick to a certain niche as a 3D printing designer or an artist, you can basically stick to one product and you can mass produce that. Right? If you're an hobbyist, if you're a collectible, if you want to print a Marvel collectible or a DC or any action figure, that has a huge value in the market. A 4-inch Marvel character will cost you anywhere between 4,000 rupees to 5,000. Right? So this is something where a person, whoever is showing interest, needs to know how to print and how to sell online as well.